All right, everybody, so this is problem number 5. By the way, I kind of modified the practice test to make this look more like what you'll see in your real test. So let's go ahead and calculate these x and y components and plot the following vectors. By the way, one thing I just want to say on this problem is that I actually have the formulas issued right here. So when you want the x and y components, we're talking about vector definition 1. So if you're ever forgetting that formula, please know that I actually give it to you on the test. So for number 5, I'm just going to apply this formula. So this is going to be v equals 5, vx is going to be 5 times the cosine of 55. And I'm sorry, these should all be y's. Let me go ahead and fix that right now. So this should be vy, vwy, uy, and ry. So Vx is going to be 5 times the cosine of 55. Vy is going to be 5 times the sine of 55. Let's go ahead and plug that into our calculator. Okay, so when we actually do that, it's, let me get my calculator ready. Sorry about that. So we're going to have 5 times the cosine of 55. And that's going to give us 2.9. I go out to one decimal place. I suggest you do that too, just for the sake of your own peace of mind. And then we'll take the sine of 55 and times it by 5 to get Vy. And that gives us 4.1. So we've got this out to one decimal place each. So here, now to plot it, we're going to plot this like it's the x-coordinate and this like it's the y-coordinate. So we'll go over 1, 2.9, almost to 3, and then we'll go up 4.1. So 1, 2, 3, 4.1, right about there. And then we'll go ahead and draw our arrow to that point, not going beyond the point, and that is essentially how we do question number 5. Let me just do one more of these. So this will be 4 times the cosine of 35. So I take 35, I take the cosine, I times it by 4. That's going to give me 3.3. All right, similarly here, I'm going to take 35, the sine of it, times 4. So again, 4 times the sine of 35. And that's going to end up giving me 2.3. So to plot that, I'll go over 1, 2.3, about there. And then, sorry, my x-coordinate is 3.3. So 1, 2, 3.3, and then up 2.3, like that. I'll take my arrow, I'll draw it here, and I'm essentially done. I will actually stop working on problem number 5 right here. I will put the solutions to this up on Haiku, but this is a fairly straightforward calculation where you're just applying the formulas, so I don't want to take any more time in a video. So I want you to take a look at those solutions in Haiku, or PowerSchool, whatever you like to call it, and it will be up there for you now. So that's as much as I want to do on problem number 5. I want to move on to problem number 6 in the next video.